wonder they hate on me, cause I'm making beats and see these clothes. Yeah, right, get it for free. I might take I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Throw some cheese in the corner, turn that bitch to a hood jack, to a track. She a hood jack. How this shit turned into Freaky Friday. We got no choice. I woke up and I'm little dizzy. Shit is I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at myself, thick with the light. It's my dream. If I was little Diggy in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to Freaky Friday. We got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. And I'm still orgasm shit. What you tell niggas that they ain't? You're such a fucking niggas ignorant. Like a lighter, bitch, be ignorant. You're such a fucking hoe. I love sparkling and still. Are you trying to act like you was drinking sparkling water when you came out here? You're stuck up, how you a sick fuck? How you start a family, the collar slipped up. I'm a sick fuck, I'm inappropriate. I like hearing stories, I like that hoe shit. I wanna hear most shit, I like the hoe shit. City to my guy, no hot bitch. I style, no style. Here, yes, don't call me blood checks. Agree, I wanna see one of y'all run up a beat. Yeah, to overseas. I style, no stylish. No Chanel, Nike track, doing both with some bats, and that's capo in the back, and that's low in the back. Don't need Gucci on my back, TV Gucci got my back. Don't know where y'all niggas at. I been here, I been back. Niggas in them counting. 9 figures was a goal till I hit the deep. They ain't living so bury mine with me off the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple in their place. Really just lack every in on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, I love 'em good. No money, I done gave it. I seriously get so nervous when I'm recording because I don't know if I have boogers in my nose or near my nostril or piercing. I don't know if my eyeliner. It's a struggle behind the scene, guys, so don't be afraid to film. I feel like I'm still an amateur, but that's how you learn and you grow, is being outside of your comfort zone. And remember to love yourself. And I really need to start looking into the lens when I'm talking and not looking at the screen. Maybe I shouldn't get into a habit of staring at actual camera with you guys. I feel like I'm talking like this the whole time. Like an idiot. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.